Okay, today I want to talk to you a little bit about your trailer line and your electric cord going to the trailer. Depending on how you wrap them up, we get them wrapped like this, 3-in-1 cord. Every day, inspect these lines, inspect the cord. If I had a trailer hooked up here, we'd want to make sure that we got good clearance on the deck plate here, because we don't want them rubbing on the deck plate because we're going to wear holes through our lines. And we see that quite a bit. Never have them laying on the deck plate. Look at your glad hands. Make sure the rubber seals on your glad hands are in good shape. When you plug them in, put air to the trailer. Make sure that there's no air leaking when you have them plugged in on the trailer. Just do a good thorough inspection. Be aware of it back here. If it's rubbing against your cab and wearing the paint out, or even wearing the lines out, check them out thoroughly. If you know these well enough, you do a good 5-minute check on these, you'll know this is the connection between the trailer and the tractor. If you lose air pressure, your brakes will lock up on the trailer, which could cause a huge issue. But not only that, it's just a good practice to make sure everything's good. Pull them apart like this. Make sure there's no electrical wires hanging out. No air's leaking from them. You just got a good solid connection, good solid lines. And it'll make your day go by a lot better. It'll make our day go by a lot better as well if you do your job. So thank you very much.